what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at an unreleased PSP game called The Elder Scrolls Travels Oblivion, and we're going to take a look at how we can get this installed on our Vita running 3.60 or 3.65 using Adrenaline. And unfortunately this will only work for Adrenaline, so if you're at 3.73 this will not work, or there's no way for you to play the game. So here is the demo, and this was a game that was abandoned and they never really finished it and they decided to just move on. So it's kind of cool that we found this online, this leaked game. You can add it to your collection and just have some fun. So this is really cool, and this is one of the coolest finds here, and I've been dying to do this video. So let's go ahead and get started on how we can install this game, and I'll be showing you two different ways to do that, through FTP client and also through USB connection. So let's get started. So head on over to Vita Shell. I'm gonna get that started with the FTP client. So press start and make sure your select button is selected as FTP. Let's back out and press select. Let's head on over to our desktop. And here is my FileZilla ready to go. So let's quick connect to my Vita. Perfect. And head on over to the first link in the description, and that'll take you to the Elder Scrolls Travels Oblivion Google Drive file. And we want to hit this button up here, which allows us to download that file. And here Google is saying that they cannot scan this for viruses. So let's download anyway. And this is going to be 112 megabytes. So let's show in our folder. Perfect. Whoops, that's for another video. And we want to right click and extract all. Nice. So this ISO that we're going to be copying over is about 250 megabytes. Let's go into this folder and you'll see three different files: the ISO, the instructions, and a GIF. So let's take a look at the GIF here. I didn't choose the jabroni life. The jabroni life chose me. Interesting. Alright. So let's open up our UXO folder. And what we want to do is find the PSP EMU folder. And you'll see your ISO, PSP, music, SE plugins, so on and so forth. So let's open up ISO folder. And here we're going to grab this ISO file. We can either copy or drag into this, and since I already have it, it already exists, I'm not going to copy it over, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to copy. So that is it for that part of the FTP client. So now we're going to move on to the USB connection. So back on our Vita, we're going to cancel this, press start, enable our USB connection. Go to select and make sure that's selected as USB. Go back, press select. And now we are enabled through USB. Perfect. Here is our USB PS Vita folder. And what we want to do is find the PSP EMU folder. And it should show up here, because this is going to be accessing your UXO folder. So I am not seeing it here. What we're going to have to do is go into our view settings and make sure hidden files or hidden items is enabled. Now if you still don't see that, what we're going to have to do is go to options. Oops. Change folder and search options. And we want to go to view. We want to scroll down and find the hide protected operating system files recommended. Let's uncheck that. Hit yes, hit apply, and OK. So there is our PSP EMU folder. Let's open that up. And now we can access these folders. Open up your ISO folder and drag that into there or copy it over. This will also take 3 to 5 minutes. And now we can head back on our Vita and test the game out. Back on our Vita, we are going to open up our Adrenaline application. Go. And I still have yet to install that plugin that disables that glitch there. And I'm going to increase the volume on my Vita I don't have an audio cable connected from my video to my PC because there's just a very bad connection there. So under your game memory card there, excuse me, and you should now see the Oblivion demo game. Let's run that. So excited. Obviously you're not going to be able to play the entire game, but it's kind of cool to have it on your system and just have a little bit of fun with it. Very cool. Climax. Let's press start. And there is the main menu. And you can see there it says work in progress. Interesting. So, uh-oh. I just pressed triangle, didn't do anything. So let's press X. Loading. Oh, nice. So we're already in it here. And I'm moving around with my left analog. And I'm also looking around, so it's just one control. I can't use the left analog at all. I just pressed circle, I don't know what that did. There's X, our punch. And I'm not sure if this is going to... Also holding the R trigger button, we can sit still and actually look around if we're going to pick up something. Uh-oh. Thank the 9, I found the correct cell in time. You must be the one Zero spoke of. There's no time to explain, they are coming. Press X. They're here already, quickly, you must help defend routes. Alright, dude. Oh, snap, he's dead. Wait, what am I doing? What did I just do? Dude, go back. Oh, no. Who the hell's shooting at me? Oh man, I'm doing bad already. Oh man, these controls are a little tough. These creatures. Just gonna have to punch him. There we go. It's very hard to see. But we have a little compass at the bottom. The music is pretty good. Oh god, I'm gonna die. My hand skills have increased. I don't know what that did. Did I heal? Enough to be able to kill this guy. There we go. So we just grabbed our sword. I'm pressing the D-pad. I press left. And we are now equipped with the sword. Nice. If I press down, nothing happens. Alright, so let's loot this guy. Loot. And he has a iron short sword, iron bow, iron arrow, gold coin. Let's press X. Oh, how can we take them all? Guess that's all we can do. And it looks like I can hold 204 of weight. And let's see here. That is so cool. That's unfortunate that this game didn't get released. That's so sad. Alright. And it's running damn good on my Vita. I'm getting 60 frames, no problem. On the stream here, it's a little bit different. I wonder how far we can go in this game. Did he still have loot? There's a bag right there. I don't know what that means. But let's press triangle. Will allow us to jump. Square lets us block. X is attack. circle is to throw fire. That is so awesome. Oh man, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this game. We're gonna have to play, we're gonna have to do some gameplays, guys, with this one. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, guys. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So pressing select will take you to this menu here. That is so awesome. Look at that. What? This is incredible. Why didn't you finish this game? But I'm glad to have it here today and bring you this awesome video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.